Next, we are going to stitch the waistband. To stitch the waistband to the fabric, first cut and fold it twice, and then bring both edges together until it forms a circle. And to put it on the skirt, stretch the waistband and then stitch it on the right side. Do this process until the whole waistband is assembled. Because here we are using a mini sewing machine, we need someone to help us to hold the sewing machine so the sewing machine will not move around. And there you go, now the children's skirt is now ready to use.